Hello viewers, welcome again to my channel. For those who are returning viewers and those who are joining us for the first time, welcome once again. This video training tends to solve a problem of converting multiple coordinates from the geographic lat and long to the projected plane coordinates, eastings and northings. So when you have a set of data, set of coordinates, which is, it can be as many as possible, it can be one, it can be two, or more than that. So this video helps you to see on how you can solve your problem by converting from one coordinate system to another coordinate system format and projection system. Alright, so this particular set of data is on latitude and longitude, and you can see the altitude, the height respectively. Alright, however, the first thing you have to do on your Excel sheet is to save your data as .csv, because this application software we'll be employing in the course of this video is the Francine Coordinate Trans, alright, version 2.3. So if you are just joining us for the first time on this channel, or you do not know how to download or get this software, please, you can check under the video description under this video by clicking on more, and you have to scroll down. You are going to see the download link and the video that will guide you on how to install this software. This software helps all geomatic engineers a lot in their field of operations. Alright, so we are going to be using this software, and the first thing you have to do on your Excel worksheet is to save your data, which is on the geographic lat and long, to .csv by coming to this icon there, over there at the top left. Then you scroll down to save as, then you click on that. So here below you are going to see this save as type. You scroll on it. So if yours is on Excel workbook, you click on that, then you scroll down to CSV comma delimited. Okay, so you click on that. Alright, so when you click on that, you can now receive your data. However, I'm not going to receive this data because I already have it on .csv format. Then you click on save. Alright, so I'm just going to replace that file and click on yes. So that's the first thing you have to do on your Excel sheet. So when you are done saving your data as .csv, you have to close your Excel worksheet. Okay, so the next thing is to come to your Francine software. Alright, then you do the necessary setup. Okay, so I have my data on the geographic latitude and longitude, that is the WGS zone 31, alright, coordinate projection system. Okay, so I have that data on the geographic zone 31 WGS 84. Right. So I want to convert this set of coordinates to the projected MENA. Okay, the projected MENA datum, eastings and northings. So these are very important informations or details you have to take note of. So you must first of all know the coordinate reference system that your data, the primary data, the initial data is on. Okay, then you must know the projection coordinate system you want to project or convert your set of data into. Okay, so I have it on geographic lat and long, okay, WGS 84 zone 31. Okay, then I want to project it to the MENA UTM zone 31. Alright, so you get that. So when you're on your software, you come to from file. Okay, so from file you click on convert coordinates from CSV file, then you click on start wizard. So this software can convert multiple data sets at a go. This is the advantage of this software, unlike other software. So this method works generally and it is less stressful. So the next thing, you click on next, then you import your data you want to convert. So I'm just going to come to my browse, then you scroll to the folder where you have your data saved. So it's on my YouTube folder, so you click on the .csv Excel file, then you click on open. Okay, so it is going to appear here. So when it appears here, you click on next. So the feed operator is definitely comma. If yours is not on comma, you click on the drop down shadow arrow, then you click on comma, then you click on next. Okay, so here now you are going to check longitude and latitude, because that is what our default data is on. That is what your default data is on. So you click on longitude and latitude. Okay, so you click on this drop down shadow arrow here. So you have to click and check on decimal degrees, comma dots. Okay, that is what you have to check on. You click on that. Alright, so when you are done with that, you click on next, then you click on next. So this so at this stage, what you have to do is to make what is inside the box to tally with the field outside the box. So you can see the field, the default field inside the box is latitude, alright, while the outside field is longitude. So what you have to do is to click the drop down shadow arrow here, then you check on longitude so that it will tally with the field outside the box. Alright, so here you have latitude outside the box, so you click on this and you check latitude. Okay, so that is what you have to do at this stage. Then the next thing is to click on next. Alright, so the default coordinate system I'm converting from, which is the geographic, latitude and longitude, okay, is the WGS84. It has actually dictated that on default for me. The software has done that. Alright, however, if the software did not do that for you, you have to click on select datum. Alright, so when you click on select datum, depending on what your data is on, okay, you have to check that. If it is on the WGS72, that is the, if it is on the 1984, you check that and you click on OK. Alright, so it is expected to appear here. So the next thing, okay, is to click on next. So here we are to save our output data. That is where you are to rename your output data. So I'm going to click on save as, then I'm just going to change this to underscore output. Okay, so make sure, depending on what you want, if it is on the notepad format .test, if it's on the CSV format .csv, you are to put the extension. So I'm going to put the extension for Excel format small letter CSV. Alright, take note of that. So when you are done with that, you click on save. Okay, so the next thing is to click on next. So this is where you have to do the settings for the output file, the output plane coordinates reference system, that is the eastings and the northings. So you don't need to check longitude and latitude here, so you leave it at eastings, northings. Then you make sure it is on decimal dots. Okay, decimal dots, then you click on next. So here at this stage is where you have to select the coordinate system you want to convert to. Right, we are converting from geographic to plane, eastings and northings. So you have to select the grid system. So if you are the first timer on this application software, you are not going to see these options like this. So what you are going to be seeing is something like this. Alright, something like this. So yours is to click on plus sign, okay, behind the earth. Then you click on the plus icon behind Africa. So on Africa, you are now to scroll down to your country of interest. Okay, there are different countries of interest here. So I am actually converting the data in Nigeria. So you are going to see a plus behind Nigeria. You click on that. So when you click on that, these options are going to pop out. Alright, so your job as the geomatician is to scroll to the reference system, the grid system of interest, where you want to convert to. So I want to convert to the UTM zone 31 reference grid system. So I'm just going to click on that to check that. Okay, if you want to convert to Nigeria mid belt, you check the grid system of interest. So I'll just click on my grid system of interest. Then when you are done choosing your grid system of interest, you click on OK. Alright, so it is going to appear here. So when it appears, the next thing is to click on next. Okay, the unit is on default meters, you leave it that way. then you click on next. So it is actually in progress, then you click on next to finish up. So you can see conversion completed, then you click on OK, then you click on finish. So that is just all in converting from geographic latitude and longitude to plain eastings and northings projection system. So let's go and see our data. So the data is actually saved under the YouTube folder. Please, if you have watched this video to this extent, just do well to hit on the subscribe icon to keep getting first-hand video training on all geomatics software, all right, from this channel. Thank you. So this is our data here. You can see GPS output. So let's open to see how it looks like. So guys, here is the data, okay, the converted data respectively. So as you can see above, you can see eastings, northings, and this is the default coordinate system we converted from the geographic latitude and longitude to the eastings, northings plain grid system. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe icon and share to as many as possible. Thank you. I hope to see you again.